futuristic. We did 23 years. Yeah, 20 mama, you know, but bonne kuya. Your performance related clauses be a dear shame. So United bet is a say the amaye. So in essence, maybe in Faswa PSG be share from Ugarte deal wa you know. It be about 10 million pounds, which is the only necessary any performance related add-ons or clauses in the contract. In two trasidio PSG for Kroma Boka, you might be explaining it from the layman's point of view. Transfer fees now will compare, but in relation to your recorded book value, the financial way now, PSG has actually made profit and saved the money of Ugarte because the wages were now off on Tiana Kabion, and then Sikan Kobetiana every year in the name of Ugarte, so you try Eddie book name. So this is how these things work. And the Chelsea best players be brain now complaining and what to win as it stands now. Kanechuku Emeka Chelsea turn for 20 million pounds. The book value 13.3 million pounds. Or signing 6 years. 20 divided by 6 years. Every year be at Chelsea yate EDF in the books and do 4 million pounds and po. So these clubs they know how they operate and how they work. And a good business for Man U in the sense that say Ugarte be signing 4 years so be signing 5 years your best spread it 42 no across, which means United will not pay Ugarte's money in their books more than 8 million pounds or 10 million pounds. Exactly the point. So a prudent business and a good for both clubs. And the issue is say Bano he is coming to improve an area where they need help. A last chance saloon for Obi say Eric Ten Hag. Ugarte versus Casemiro. Ugarte and Casemiro. You can see clearly. Ugarte no want more energy. Obro Casemiro so be prepared 90 minutes for league games only in 2023-2024. Or more tackles than Casemiro. Last season. More interceptions than Casemiro. More ball recoveries than Casemiro. More dribbles than Casemiro. And has a better passing accuracy. So he's...
say age now.
Age.
PSG your possessive team.
Okay.
Look at the numbers.
Okay.
So, it's just simple. And Raheem Sterling to Man U. No minimum the time Man U for the baby to Chiomo. Now Sterling I are saying Rashford.
Whoa, mami
I'm not for the fan trash on bed matter. No.
Okay, for 1 minute here, mami.
Men cast some nekeke.
Okay.
Shadrach. Mami data MB. The metrics of Rashford and Sterling is even better than Martinelli. If Arsenal or Man U are getting Raheem Sterling,
because Arteta be far good. Arteta be far we need can have it.
Sterling there air pink no.
Sterling air pink no.
Rashford there air blue no. You can see that for key passes, Sterling Ebro Rashford so assist Obro Rashford so NPG near non-penalty goals Obro Rashford so dribbles Obro ne so carries CAP board yako Obro ne so attacking actions or the bro ne so Obibeka say Rashford 2023-24 no nye. Okay, what are my Rashford's best season under Ten Hag? 2022
Ten Hag first season.
Yeah, 2022-23.
Okay, Shaq, you know quick now you know.
Nay first Sterling crowd last season fanye. So they are no Maya. You can see clearly say still.
Hey,
Sterling bro Rashford so.
See, Rashford now you say was so jana.
And Obama Sterling Obama Rashford nenia break no abobo ni ye. Simple. Me if you are the emotions and necessary any trolls ne tonchenya is actually a player that will improve the left wing of Man United and then even Arsenal. Omonko fano. Oh yeah, ebi any start ni bebre wo ho. Bebre wo.
Yeah, Mate. Whoa, what am I here? My for here.
Oh yeah.
What me that say? Nah, my man son I say my time about center. Our time about center the daytime HH about mission the capsules and so they about pharmaceutical and the herbal shops in my catch say we your banners what type good rough. Ebi a juice a brand ayana and K fresh but when you know and until can we share amount to me nkoni pamua a drone either so to time HH ba misha anasa ne capsules abeboa esan ye edma bema nsu vitana ya ne free obema mu ba no unya no nsu bi no mebejai na fe wo so wagina wona so kama ya wo time ba misha we dro to malaria fever enso ase wo ba wa frefro enye maw wa for lactating mother ba ne tuanufo ano a enye maw ana ba no oye below 12 years a eni kwan so ma num bi wonu ma to aduane nya ode ana honam ranso na ba dro no aye time ba misha 0244 417669 Jean's toothpaste and a Jean's toothbrush. Yamon Jean's total care ebeke na cavities any tooth decay. Nina ebejai ama brush utita brebiano wanum enso ayesham kama. Yawa dear friend said Jean's whitening and odie ema seno and wanum yamno supie ema minty fresh breath achese wokasa nipa ho achese de fu onu bani nyina no enso ehwam afei wobenya Jean's about toothpaste and also no esanse ewo herbs achese no aye natural enti eboa am wonum enso ehwam abrebia bon ho ban achese layers wonum nyina no enso enya ho ban bo stronko achese no aye Jean's aye herbal toothpaste and also pebito and a Jean's toothbrush and so dudo bia beso to bia no wonsa ebeka ya wo duchess our prince our princess our chese diaka nyina bi enso pebito our dwaso enye na make am full Kulun Ghana Limited woman a day Mr. Q abadwaso bema wadro ni nie say sexually why mre ewompam untimi mpawa ye bema drono enso aye Mr. Q low libido ebeko wo your ba obeso nya tinka wo for emo ba wonso te de ewompam irregular menstrual flow obeso horo wa wodiem ema chesa wo honsem enso aye simple ema wa enum aye araba bazen tablet bema prostate enlargement enti yanum hunchu capsules eboa ema bo prostate elbai afei se empo oye bema dwonso a wote yaw a bema ehhehyew no enu nso ebejai ba bia tonjo bia akwa also perhunchu aye capsules ana Mr. Q ana afei araba bazen tablet ni nyina no ye draw Kulun Ghana Limited we aye China phone ro ana mo de aba edwaso 0244 275429 na wonem penfo no enso enkasai afei me kanfo express group almost say yen kan twa sebra na express group penfo no womo daso eye adwumadene nyina ne say womo de school fo etu kwa we ne aye scholarship enye 419 no kululu we ye nurse ni we ye midwife requirement ye ne do fam ye gi visa ma take it in sensem nyina no jey ane ye boa na afre me ka wasemo a mo be se mo koto ene holidays no so no aye express group adaroma branches adults and crying woman our Kaneshi first light afei make our Kumasi asafo labor runabout and I would drew a doom railway ababia police station one so on Sabeka express group 0555550067 empanfono and so enjoy so imbustaba mesha aye police ni adru we aye police ni adru no aye draw tatashe achasanom enya ya wo boni tinimienu anopa ne tinimienu anwumre wo to adru no yifi ne box no ma ye de cap kuma bi de asi ni tiniso no ana ne besusu adru na aye immune system adru tatashe eno ena boama otimi ko eti anyado ahodo ni nyina abre bia no oho dendende mentwe ma yade ma ansana wo police ni adru ni bia no ma abre bia ya bomodi say dro ebi ebebel enye na ewo pharmaceutical shops ene herbal shops ni nyina mu ana imbust pharmacy no yede aba eye wholesale enko a enti mo amobie mo pharmacy ana say mobie mo chemical shop no mo drugstore mo penu no bia tu aton ana sempo wo papofo dro ni nyina bia to abibidro bia wate dim bia wo pe bia to a obekọ wholesale a chese no eye imbust pharmacy ewo kodie ofin so ekwan no so eye 0533929177 na empenfo no enso enjoso ye ko break about real quick ba ye be rabna yakọ we aba ma won se code bia ba beto aye Facebook no so na matches e ho pa na code ba masa free so na men ka ma de ni One code no Betway. My proud sponsors of your show. Code no 4 Memfa be 30 seconds. And then quick. CD0B8B2. Oba in Facebook page wa edawo ye pini. In 2 bar obenya me browse ma menko break him ra. I mean, community more pay code no more Facebook page or mobile mobile a dao your pin in the camera shark young camera.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afei na mebeko. Me nkrata krani.
Hey, ene me ma connection man for den kofo sika dwane ne wanya otu adidi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwantu ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and say visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international Tesla or 8.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Nina Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Who that the evidence bang? I don't need Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku Ashford Princess. And now bra could you so Ashford Galaxy. What dear na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do a dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me bro dodomi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. Etu phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were so honey.
Mamisha, time HH heba Mr. Bina unumi. And ya what dropa. A draw say. A mani pedian kwamwano enya huating. Na akwatia yare. And chain yare and san wakakoto. Fire wardro. Nanomno abribia. Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono wonwa and the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wenyenyan mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufuo enso enum bi time HH heba Mr. Who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH heba Mr. Yedro say FDA agye edwadien kratoe atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Winehead. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
Mama kwa baba Gentleman Dental Clinic yeduma bi ayedi ane say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ati anase wosen animonyam so afa na ntuma pa efi wo fixed one no anase yetafre no permanent one no eno susum yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na ye finish scaling and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebagu na no oba Gentleman Dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na Atomic Down domekwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na Kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so wa anase opposite AY Ahmed na udru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no ufri total filling station na yabron sign na edi ho ye adwuma free eda juada kopem eda memeda wetimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo me say abofra keto wanya 2 years akadai ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla be abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so no ti kame ho ni ko hwede wo mbia African Spider-Man and Baby Sebo Buffet, but preoccuping who's African Jacks, what Baby Sebo Buffet now with secret to anything.
Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret. Now me yet to know how to form. And a police me do what dance and say, many names sunshine. Now me so a boosting immune system. I'm a semi trainer mental bread. Me to me the come on. I'm going to come with home so across your class. So me die yale. I'm on my latitude. Me yabaku. Hey, J. Nakoso.
Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going?
Who for me cratching?
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture. Our pharmacy and answer herbal shops. A pin for any color umundi if you do me no enom. FDA adjudicating tatui atu.
712
Here is to the friends who took the chance with no regrets. Investors no more hitting fortune. To the health workers who diagnosed drugs every move. And then to the hard guy who couldn't hold his emotions. To the passionate fan who couldn't contain his joy. To the seamstress who turned her hand-earned stitches into a bundle of joy. And now, here is to you. Your next big win is right here. 1st July 2024. Dial *712# and cost tickets as a group individual to win in the community draw or the grand draw on the 30th of November 2024. Unlock your luck with *712#.
Voted by the NLA on the Caritas platform, not for persons below 18 years. T&Cs apply.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad.
Brad, and not so good.
Not tell me about Michelle, see about Queen Wayne and say,
Brad, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy fear for any idea about ever so.
Really, do this offering now.
Brad, so me cousin me the time about Mr. Huadansia. We are singing now about Temenka. And it's some malaria. Where do any time about Mr.
And you go, dear, no matter what to me any deal. What do any time about Mr. A drink and your mark or bar waffle fruit. The one mark for down for any aquada when you fear to me and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She said, walk a hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a GD malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever be at Ziva, a woman. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do a namu. FDA AG a judging cratoi at home.
I know here. TV, fridge, freezer, air condition, gas cooker, washing machine, smartphone, sound system, water dispenser, microwave, blender, rice cooker, kettle, and iron. Seven Hisense smartphone is yeah, titi so more than a Hisense factory direct promo. It's in your madada noa. Emma light bill kuno. Fasi baby, never jiffo. 19th August, I copy 28th August. Bora Hisense showroom bia. Koso says factory direct promo way. 9 days per 80 first come best serve. Hisense everyday prices for everyday people.
Kind of way, tell you so the more money promo now.
Obia pesika, now so dear party a pesika. Sika bebre. For who don't tell you more money promo, then disika. Disika, na send disika bebre. For who chimubi, free. Ni obeya say load credits and not data. Nenya konya di 1 million Ghana cedis. Which sika pudu on ankasa. Debiade na washubia. Yebe cheska. Na gonim kwaye yeno na ya 3 million Ghana cedis. And ho. Dial *500# and now send win call 500. And now for telephone play up no so na for who chimubi. And for no do reload no. Now do who jina yi and what me disika or telephone.
There be on trip on be TV elastic.
TV elastic. Na just first course no.
E wanna change.
Just course no. Mejamu ko. Na dey let me chase ah.
Master Pacho o ka se me fa gas ni sha ni mo me sha na Haaland e twitwi flu ono.
Na what me Haaland twitwi nyam no so be mai. O dey no bet mai Rudiger.
Na wo di ma Rudiger ko se wo hwe se wo ne be ma Kelesian na so be hwe ya be so Dembele.
Me de Antonia na hwe ono ba shef kwa yi na flu.
Antonia nine. Shevchenko.
Why you not feel?
Why you not feel?
My balak is on. Why?
Sir.
My balak is on. Send the Bema can room now.
There be a tier 1 years. Zip on your balak and free. Sir. No fair in show. Rudiger.
Sir. Rudiger. Also, where I know slow you. Drug bow.
Sir.
Chat me boy show 14 share honum.
Oh,
Bobo 14 show.
Not so they show. David Silva.
David Silva. And a Bernardo Silva here.
Masampacho, me use Silva now and continue me use Vinicius.
Oh, Sancho, fashion, Sancho show.
What Sancho then? Aqua, you man who saves and Sancho, no. Massa, Cabe use Sancho then Cafe use them Baba.
Oh, for the Baba.
Them Baba, the Baba.
Way of Dembele appear we have Rionum. Mbappe.
And I face your Atamelu.
Atamelu. Akoya sáré ọbẹ̀ sí obi ká o.
Atamelo ni. Ètò àdé tí wọ́n fa Vinicius ní mẹ́sà.
Vinicius ní ti maame kyẹ́ wà dé. Edwuma náà yẹ esua náà yẹ esua ní yẹ akówà. Atamelo náà wọ́n de ne bẹ́ ṣe sẹ́yìn. Wọ́n sọ wọn ọbọ̀ a ẹ̀nkọ́. Ètò ẹ̀họ́ ní wọ́n bẹ́ mìíye mama. Ẹ̀họ́ ní bẹ́ ka. Ètò àdé náà wọ́n fa Elise kyẹ́ mma.
Mẹ́ni Elise ṣáà hàn máa. Rudiger.
Ẹbẹ̀ kyẹ́ bẹ́ bọ́ wẹ̀ ni. Ọbẹ̀ kyẹ́ ọ̀nù wọ́n kyẹ́ ọ̀nsẹ̀ Rudiger ní ẹ̀dín wọ́n kyẹ́. Ètò wọ́n di Elise kyẹ́ náà ọ̀nù nso ní kyẹ́. It's not why am I Ibrahimovic? Na be shasuro.
Masampacho, Yamila Maso wa how.
Onu wa ante yinye Stankovic ni.
Stankovic.
Sa wo de Stankovic na ba be she Elise chwana. Elise be twa no. Ama na badani Ivankovic.
So unso mu no musro Ibrahimovic.
Sa. Ga. Ah na yiso e.
Modric so abe kan ho ho.
Modric ba. Ana yibe ba.
Modric no. Onso on hadwen. Itu ono no ankasa na ya no Stankovic asem. Itu omunya tokwa na eyi abe settle Ibrahimovic.
Ebi ina settle. There be on trip on bed tibilastic.
Na Cheskos no.
E ho na che.
Cheskos no. Pejamu ko. Na dey na timi trace
Master Pacho ka se me fa Fabregas ni sha ni mo me de sha na Haaland e twitwi flu ono.
Na wa timi Haaland twitwi nya no so be ma yi. O de no bet ma Rudiger.
Na wo di ma Rudiger ko se wo hwe se wo ne be ma Kelesian na so be hwe ya be show Dembele.
Me de Antonia na sha ono ba Shevchenko ayi na flu.
Antonia na Shevchenko.
Why you not flu?
My balak is on. Why?
Sir.
My balak is on. Send the Bema can room now.
There be a tier 1 years. Zip on your balak and free. Sir. No fair in show. Rudiger.
Sir. Rudiger. Also, where I know slow you. Drug bow.
Sir.
Chat me boy show 14 share honum. Bobo 14 share.
No so they show David Silva.
And a Bernardo Silva here.
Masampacho, me use Silva now and continue me use Vinicius.
Oh! Sancho, fashion Sancho show.
What Sancho then? Aqua, you man who saves and you. Sancho, no. Massa, Cabe use Sancho then Cafe use them Baba.
Oh! For the Baba.
Them Baba, the Baba.
Way of Dembele appear we have Rionum. Mbappe.
And I face your Atamelu.
Atamelu then. Akoya sáré ọbẹ̀ sí obi ká o.
Atamelo ni. Ètò àdé tí wọ́n fa Vinicius ní mẹ́sà.
Vinicius ní ti maame kyẹ́ wà dé. Edwuma náà yẹ esua na yẹ esua ni akówà. Atamelo náà wọ́n de ne bẹ́ ṣe sẹ́yìn. Ọ̀sọ̀ ọ̀nà ọ̀bọ̀ a ẹ̀nkọ́. Ètò ẹ̀họ́ ni wọ́n bẹ́ mìíye mama. Ẹ̀họ́ ni bẹ́ ka. Ètò àdé náà wọ́n fa Elise kyẹ́ mma.
Mẹ́ni Elise ṣáà hàn máa. Rudiger. Ẹbẹ̀ kyẹ́ bẹ́ bọ́ wẹ̀ ni.
Ọbẹ̀ ọ̀nà wọ́n kyẹ́ ọ̀nsẹ̀ Rudiger ní ẹ̀dín wọ́n kyẹ́. Ètò wọ́n di Elise kyẹ́ náà ọ̀nà nso ni kyẹ́. It's not why am I Ibrahimovic? Na be shasuro.
Masampacho, Yamila Maso wa how.
Onu wa ante yinye Stankovic ni.
Stankovic.
Wo de Stankovic ne ba be hye Elise chwana. Elise be twa no. Ama na badani Ivankovic.
So unso mu no musro Ibrahimovic.
Sir. Ga. Na yiso e.
Modric so abe kan ho ho.
Modric ba. Na yibe ba.
Modric no. Onso on hadwen. Itu ono no ankasa na ya no Stankovic asem. Itu munya tokwa na eyi abe settle Ibrahimovic.
Ebi ina settle. There be on trip on bed tibilastic.
Na Cheskos no.
E ho na che.
Cheskos no. Pejamu ko. Na dey na timi trace
Master Pacho ka se me fa Fabregas ni sha ni mo me de sha na Haaland e twitwi flu ono.
Na wa timi Haaland twitwi nya no so be ma yi. O de no bet ma Rudiger.
Na wo di ma Rudiger ko se wo hwe se wo ne be ma Kelesian na so be hwe ya be show Dembele.
Me de Antonia na sha ono ba Shevchenko ayi na flu.
Antonia na Shevchenko.
Why you not flu?
My balak is on. Why?
Sir.
My balak is on. Send the Bema can room now.
There be a tier 1 years.
zip onye bala kan free o sa no fa yin show Rudiger sa Rudiger who say we am slow you Drogba sa me boy we show Foden show honum bobo Foden show no say dey show David Silva and Bernardo Silva here Masan Pacho me use Silva na ankonti me use Vinicius Sancho fashion Sancho show wa Sancho de nye akowa you no so FCM Sancho nyo Masa ka be use Sancho de nka fa use yi dem baba for the baba dem baba the baba we Dembele apia we afi onom Mbappe ala fa use Atamelu Atamelu de ni akoya sare obese obi ka Atamelu ni
Bako pe ebra na obemu ye bema asan so atde wompem se eya akobanya de ulcer fibroid kidney and liver problem oba unukunu apawa ansumu nya bie wona owo entini ni dompem hawo minua no mema wo pese mo bema eya kese ene minua kire me ba bia doctor so eyo ye kumase atiase ebrem ahemfie ne soro ho a Darul Salam school no enchempe Fred doctor tetefuin so 0599 311 311 NAC Clinic, we bring your smile back to you.
Yes, Yemre Nafe, Yemra Metwaso, still live on Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Sompa TV, Nafe, live on Facebook, Yeda so Juma and Anope, Basuna, Yababedin Como Congress, of course, I want crying Luther, say, oh, yeah, dear.
Oh, Namiatom fancy, now also,
Kakaki,
they say the Ghana Football Association Congress in Usua.
As good for yes, Ramunti, so fair.
As good fire,
Munti Empire, yes, Ramo already had a study. When a moment questions in free division one cry, but I say the Munsa. My emre yes my emre
so yiri won sampi o mu bu
na be say nyiri mu
shadi videos ni bi wa me nhwe as good supporters no omo basse here from obuase akopie mu o the Congress grounds the Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence na omo nsem no fancy enti unuanom omo ade srede a omo told the Executive Council of the Ghana Football Association and president enim no
I brother no GFA ko Congress omo ko akoye hye foforo the best league but ye hwe we have body every second division third division ba first division any premier side no cry who has go do inti Congress no so ye that channel there now was as good ye economy and still as good that so then exist here essence omo kan ho asem na eso na omo dey atu yes no omo yi free eso na nka bebi a omo dey betu bi asempo 9 division po wo mu a omo dey omo fast goal ntu ne dey enim say betimi a bebi omo dey betu bi
oh miraho
mama kama basa because Linkley stadium back when you can say that okra
so you best said the Executive Council of the Ghana Football Association mame kwa ma no so na me ankasa me nua sugar eni nkomo Sompa sunwane na all the Congress grounds enura en adwumade ni hyase ene said the activities in the nyina no hyase no pa 8 am ye musase no ma nyina timi kose de sefata sugar wotemenka Sompa kumase nie yam wache emwakwa aba.
Yeah, Luther, I'm very fine.
What ye monitor ni ankonko yanim eno na Ghana Football Association the 30th ordinary congress no etimi hyase yenim se beba na wie enne twamfanyini kakra fa kye from onura ebesi enne activities ekoso say na no ma esiko e wo the congress ground to
Luther, my two for Mutie Sompa 93.1 Embra from Ghana Soccer Excellence 30th ordinary Congress and Koso Ewa Pampa Abonton so and Ra and a shout here and Ra Kokoso Ewa has a 40 a bed hotel and a moye at the Mamu and no a Qatar 2022 hotel and Ubi and if the president HSO would be decided you know the sign ever cut his sword that way another gym and any training center and also the next short captain after no then match of course so a Premier League reps no any Division 1 reps and so much of course so not Sunday after and run and that no best power park also president and executives eco commission kama amobobo ewo eno na ye GFC esco ene RFC ene de eboani eno so game no ko ewe na ye 22 eno so ekowie ye si ha no ka say ye GFC president yes Okeku and in ESCO members Loziko Randy Abbey Fredachi Omudina Aline up kama Ababe Wula inside Honoma Onabu Yiti Mensa Honoma Amonga and NKBA program no there everything Asha for now them pay for what's on Mubane there Okia Abba Congress men's no so I was a Mubano Division 1 Premier League class and it will be a say Division 1 so Obia Ewa. Until for now, look at over Hadia Bia Kama and Congress no everything Asha.
Sugar said the old Casse and Channel Median so far the congressmen now you can Ghana Premier League clubs and home reps together with the Division 1 for the Executive Council and Panyimfoni. So far, Omubai no Oben Ben Panyimfoni Bino, Yenimsia football in Omu. What are some of the messages and Nsembi Omokeka? Are they impressed about the administration, Kurt or Kreku, and an Executive Council or a football? No?
Yes, and many people, many opinion questions, the poster, see you, Edim Common, many Edim Common, or no, they are no kind of engagement, say, if you know any media, no, ever engaging more not, and so much a month will see you say, and my Ghana Premier League in a attractive, no, almost no, Master Star, any the Cook Chelsea, almost delegate our uncle Joseph, and also any Jim Edema, the Cook Chelsea. And also our former RFP boss, Mr. Sompa, at the Mabonafo, and also our house and then make a shop. Maybe we take in command, yes, almost a 10 air basso, Yeno in command, do not say someone say, and the Congress Arsenal, and we sent the song last season, Sky at the moment, Dorine Sky at the moment. And I'm doing this season of a mobile young for the encounter. And I say, teachers, I and now almost on the quadrant one. It's funny to you are everything and on my doing come back. I
will cut third term. It be so monty, maybe breaking it down for my third term. No, and say.
2000 means strong car. Let's make an insurance strong.
Sugar, so what can now, dear? I may just say, oh, Casse. What do I so told for no? Na a be a third term. It be so among tea, and I'm person breaking it down. And as a third term, no more cano, I say.
Look at 72 years, third term, as them now,
Anne.
Yeah, and Americano, be much as all must be much as all money and say, but Nina baby, oh, Congress grounds, and also, yeah, can say, come no so near a par, because who administrators in a bimu could see, them is possible, not be more a country, a time you do, you make me and no, I could see you on the car.
Okay, but now me breaking it down, my concerning the third term, Nankasa, say, Omujidi say, or real friend of Cat administration on car on call for another term. Now, any 3 terms, and son on person much. Yes. Also, our first term, second term, third term, no, and our do not get excess, we are Juma or the Anke, man, third term, and Anke, and a Bimuso Eket or Munyan say, in the Congress National. And on basis or more car now for your Muslim with your man on the some back was some move for us in that time as far any room. Okay, sugar me jam wako na minimsa ukwa wudi ya rewura ne mpanyimfo so nye opportunity a utimi no mudi nkomo pa so far enura na mo kate sword wa ha na omu yesei ani swadi una waket ni so far no ma so waye no bibusa ye want woni ye mpese mebusa say majority of congressmen na ewo ho no omu ye impressed about a Juma Ket administration area no
Omani Argentino, Mamene, the Kum Chelsea, Uncle Joseph, and Jim Komokaka. Now, of course, no, and also Nkaka, Uncle Sompa 93.1 Kumape, and Rana short captain would be Air Force, so saying, and all things. Oh, Madame, Kuli, me kura de me do ha and the after summer tech match no na me ba street drive ba street be da and ya na mani kia ya who say there's so much change after 3 years I ever ha am be say ball that power so be eating at least if I about to 6 now more come and no more commission back and I am not so at least the year die anka first ba won't be in the house but for my renovation I'm going na paper at least you can follow down ba we na e da after that no na da e ko cafe shop for the 40 beds hostel facility almost in collaboration with Aban in fact Aban Basso Aban no after your qualifying series the World Cup Qatar 2023 omo 2022 rather after no na sika buy o man ka so mo transfer but omo release the na dia ma say omo see hostel facility what is that na be ya the coach say especially abroad ya omo ba na omo de omo singlet and also omo coat nko akọ handle ho no ma sa ko omo krum but at the end of the day you just got to take it to become a thing of the past. Maybe yes, so Omasa of cutting sort for a swimming pool, gym, food style, so they also so arena. Okay, we have seen a massive infrastructure going on here. Apart from that, it's a key review of what happened in the Ghana Premier League about the 2023-2024 Ghana Premier League review of it. And I can send somebody refuse sponsorship quite powerful at the moment I didn't say how much you know can never be my young say you see as only a player okay you club in Chow for 2 months who are going the new rule who are going to be my report my GSA party committee making that come out because it never be we are able pretty much Premier versus Division 1 for our Premier for the state year and a 5-6 there's a capital for the best power the content we are starting on so far so
Sompa Sport
everything is in order and at the end of the day we will get more to say
okay sugar yati dia ko Joseph edia tudwa no nti dia be kan say gusua na monitor congress no na eba na wi a ene die beto bia no na odi amene eso ye de amasompa ya hwefo ne yatifo okay ena ye kon wo Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence ho ena the 30th Ordinary Congress Ghana Football Association jumadie ne sesewom de aguna akwam no day 2 de no ne akwaje report from there nti fancy no matter mate omuna club no clubs no mo running nti so makosia ye na say omo ye Diane was no
okay pa okay very okay Mateluta me da say yemre na yemra me hwensem no ma enche bia be fa afrefo na college no so abas ne mum mame na eye OP wallpapers enso aso mo nyina no aso yasene ana ye de eye show no eba wallpapers no wallpaper 3D e de normal wallpapers ne blankets and match decoration ewom a just your designs and colors outdoor varieties abetimi a choose from no Nina no enso eye OP enchen bedside lamps wo benya bia to TV backlight adebo TV achi selfie ring light and plastic wardrobes center carpet flowers wall clocks air diffusers and water fountain what the best spread enso abarudo bia beso to bia no wudru na so ya wonsa ebeka bi duve no ebi enso ewom kronom ha no wone market no ene di ene hwe na dum pz nana kwasi ajman building na mo na wonsa beka no for OP 0540 3537 50 Bafo Polo and so you neat a African print na and what that's so every day ni Juma Bafo Polo say yan can't mo money de pam say so your bema and I saw your bawo pay be a company be and no my Juma or 5 Juma to break now on an international mo din komana say CDA when a Bafo Polo be ya Juma now Bafo classics and so no ye de lapel tops and then the trousers and I send the shorts and aba ye send you kaftan what the designer was who our online your friend Fabra Bafo Polo be Judy a chance akra ma won so no say wo kwa sorry ko program baby akobiano onso obedem ayesronko and afi offers ni say what the Bafo Polo platinum package, diamond package, gold package and a silver and afi bronze and anti companies no and institutions some of Friday way and some Wednesday way ni na money Bafo Polo and so enkasa hinama kokoben of Santaso Boase Kwan so 0249 600789 Qualitac Dental Clinic Casabra now when you're cleaning and polishing amount over so scan over so x-ray over so teeth whitening and also a cosmetic dentistry ebi I was saying problem dodom over see a two near shovel from out and I said be a one able to crow dodom and it would dinner cause outside on my yawa Qualitac Dental Clinic and so say young can trust a presence we know a yaba from Fidi and Juma and from Juma di omo dini no and some dance to kohoi na ekoya Juma na se kono show na mo siesi wonum em woni mo nyam no and so emra kama odru patasia main stretch no mo ma pen na sabe come all room and so do any acha paparazzi side no anya ira kwan Qualitac free number no 0538250078 na empenifono and some enjo so nak clinic say we bema no emre awompam we obia wanya syphilis and say gonorrhea we prostate enlargement our brow prostate no also obeso bon ban ya diabetes hepatitis B and C diabetes and aba and say bia akwa check me aka say we pressure and so our liver no kidney and afi fibroid oban na dunya we problem our branch so obosomi aso no nak clinic say yen can trust a brawe your doctor who can come the blood group doctor and no hwehwe chia kwan enso e Kumasi achiase abrem wo fa ohene kwan so on ma pay 0599311311 na chese on a knack empanfono enso enkasa enano perfume ventures ese brabaju toothbrush now toothbrush no Ashford Princess evidence and executive and afi galaxy nyinano enso aye brush raw symptom a proper num a true tetrama so ema so aye neat and what you did here what aduane ne de make can form afro fresh herbal toothpaste no enso ajama say our herbs e wom to choose ya bo aye wonum was say any just our gum in your ban and one enya problem nina no and so I feeble ventures and our quacofa and so Adiaba po segul in one of my pay I 0535452263 yes meza my memory when I fee
yes fancy I think say first of all more the Ghana Football Association abaso Congress there is a time to brainstorm discuss and more discussing you might be a bit my league na ebeshas here the Ghana football etime tumpon but before the Congress na nkasa ho discussions need be free about minimum after that no sugar na ebedi nkomo but before that no I think say enyoma ba ku mienu bia the GFA taking the initiative omo ya mame mo mabaso ye the 40 bed infrastructure mo person mo si e pram ho we needed this step, but it has even taken long. Whereas I near to me saying we could have an ultra modern facility. Our pram said about national teams in the bar. Omonkoda hotel for at least they will be there. And already the pram so much high new pitches account or more the lighting in our bar and you they can train and do a lot of things a bit more money per year to my head. Alcohol and I said the technical team then is to my head. Alcohol. I'm really impressed with any more any the progress they've made in terms of infrastructures. I can't actually there, but yashas yes amre ne de boni bia anya anya den enyambam de hia no se betimi de asi wonu ye ni apagya mu ye na amade ehwede afiri mu se betimi de mfa so de abrega na football no. You look at Mali, you look at Cameroon, you look at Nigeria, you look at some nations. Our try to do some of these things to help her. Recently, acquire Mali Stadium or Massa renovate. Before Sakra never call AFCON, no cry Mali infrastructure but putting it up at their FA. Mali Crampo FA president as at that time, not issues one whole crampa or demo munyan can ask them colonial. And always swimming pool, gymnasium, nyomon person we honina, it could help us a lot. Even preparations before tournament. And now fin abe kon campe or baby, no akwa shaha, no akwa westiska, no asaba, ye didn't na yen wa hasia a bit mabwa ket and then impenyu for a school, na mishra omo. Say omonya dream pa. Take this particular bold step. I know, say, it's not everything that is good, but it must in terms of formal governance. And then you won't be no be also be a bit makoyi. But I think this is a very good step. And come for some more money now, call her 140 delegates, or did together, or my dinner, or my dinkomo, just to even grow the relationship between various football administrators. Yeah. Fancy, it is something that is really worth it. FIFA does that. What I say, FIFA ye be careful to be for most of these things. Said the telepathy between various football federations, you know, they could link up and make sure somebody media achieve UBB. And this is the right way to also do it. Abra when you delegates ni now around, abra mudi omo hunkomo. E kasa said the bear nyoma beti metumpon. Abwa amaji for muju medi omudi nyineti mi akosoro. We only want to see action. We want to see things improve. The reason why Ghanaians are quite critical when it comes to the GFA, you know, people want things to improve. The name of the GFA, Nanka said that Bontene crying yet. Just because of one or two things we are associated with it. So if you start doing good things like this, now can pana boom, now the message that is going out looks good. I think the name, any name calling in your mind, the GFA in your so better. Let's not forget it's another Ghana Black Stars game that is coming up. That needs to be looked at. Now, Black Stars issue be then no. Me say me share the action or be take within the next few days before the boys arrive for the game. So be take that particular action. It's not a cause for alarm gidi, but it's a necessity that needs to be done. And said there can be more other federations and I say other sporting disciplines, you know, about the Black Stars how we are going to do some. And some of the players we've spoken to know. I just wanted to do my checks first because fancy me tell story and I'm many players be involved didn't come about Saudi and the players need be bo fu or say issue no pa. It's about sikasem. Okay. The players need be no. I just want to give them the best. We need there. They will try and do things before answer crampona. You started that game. What I say when you kasatin timbia. The bonuses for the game against away game the Kobuti Amalino and the Babu Kruma say it has not been paid. Oh yes. And Sassim we almost catch them 3 weeks in it to 4 weeks. But I wanted to follow up and speak with some of the players I mean more under Bakumi and fancy. And when you issue be a giddy because last our bonuses they had them crumbles or better say before we play this game and let's prepare well for the game against Angola.
Okay. Well, Mike.
Fancy
GFA any initiatives or more yeah Omakofa ambulance already almost complete a 20-bed facility to accommodate executive council members who are born by the Jumedi, FIFA, Pram Honum. And then they have already broke the ground for the construction of a gymnasium, futsal, arena, and then a swimming pool. Almost 40-bed facility. Ni nano by kindest courtesy, a FIFA forward program. No, but what is a FIFA forward? MWA FIFA. Sika Chato say or the bois member associations or more the various continents. You made your mom, but you are one share.
Send your wound to me for one pub one fan rows umfieno. Sounds na FIFA sika na so bit me as Sibia. E was a would dasu by be disicasemu. Untouchable. Exactly. And that is what they have done here because saying you be order to account na anhwe who say pepe sikebia won sakan bia wo de dwumedia ese na fata say de wo ka say de be wo magis ka say wo koto chine na wo fa nkonkoto eye prekonam. You need to use the allocated monies given you as a member association for the specific purpose. And this, and what the GFA is doing shows clearly say, maybe a trim ni sika omunya no, dear assessor omode which is good company practice and our corporate practice. Say udinokre ewo usika semo because every year FIFA will come and audit the GFA. And it's obey auditing no who say books mu ene nyoma waye no say be nyoma bebre wo ho a touch ma definitely ho be chill. But in this case it means that if FIFA are encouraged to still work with GFA as regards the forward program, then it is something positive and good for the corporate image of the Ghana Football Association. Company be obepeso or no be adwuma bia no. These are evidence obe here to prove say odenisika eba be shemu a and they are the crowd pesa wo de ye no eso mfaso ana wo so benya. So I like that posturing from the GFA and I like this initiative sir just to help the game to grow. Obibeka said should have started earlier. But I think that under Ketokrekuba it was after COVID.
Yeah.
So clearly it means that monies is accessed. And your monies that have been invested into the game for various reasons. A be for human capacity building. A be for the technical advancement of the game. And then IT technology near there. And infrastructure there. And we can only pray for more and hope that things will work well. Send a bay football nebet me nyan and to my pay because se pram hono so mo ye swimming pool nevi omo ye futsal arena nevi omo ye gymnasium na and omo be a pitch or my for bed power sa astroturf pitch no because omo de no so ka ho it means a be pram nim amane omo atimi akonkan. And for this projects initially I say is the say about Odro Safo Abaso so na in charge of the pram facility. So he has basically supervised say Juma way course on there on my no. So Yambo Nabaso for what he's done.
Then I say almost on my no.
Gymnasium na master to my 20 bed facility no.
Wow.
And astroturf pitch no so bed power there no my and Chafe no mo 40 bed a year hotel or hostel no. Then gymnasium no they will also work on it. They've started and on my breaking grounds for the swimming pool and then also the futsal arena. So I think we need to just encourage them to do more for the greater good of our game. Ash good for the motive of model corner and Kenya Bonnet. But you see, no politicians never batter football. There is an attached intention. There in America, we know the people of Obuasi in the ne. Yede omudi insansa benkum ne nifani. On the left side there is Honorable Kweku Kwatin, who is the MP for Obuasi West constituency. There no football who command the Obuasi for ache. And I was say Obuasi for enya timwa a carry Obuasi din. This was something that was in existence. Obuasi go fails, but transfer of company shares near there and Anglo go for never far AGC and a metamorphosis by Anglo Gold Ashanti and then they ebenya Ash Gold. Good, no problem. Still on mobile and issue aba. Say issue aba. The only football representative of Obuasi, the only football ambassador of Obuasi, the only career of Obuasi's football hopes. Ash Gold na and the winner issue. So what is it with Mekwati Football Club Fufro Nama Tunidi Obuasi Sporting Club? Semantics. Say Ash Gold Babaka. The pride of Obuasi. Okwati Football Club Fufro now akwesre Anglo go for so obey you Zulu and Clay obey you so for stadium. Ekosi saying.
So ntinka ofu senka on kauna pushi the renaissance of
Honorable Kweku Kwatin. If he has the interest of Obuasi football at heart Enya ne ayaba beto aba na wo beka kire ye say what a club for our registered no na wo twen December you beto aba time
December 7.
December no all twen ye hu say and the Obuase Sporting Club na wate no obe start am compete season never start. If you are serious about it, it is either you are acquiring a Division 1 club or you are starting from Division 2. No one the other one be. Now what trend December here to about man who win here. Everything goes say
be an negotiations or okay be December na be
December na be yen. No, I don't believe. I think politicians are taking us for a ride for quite too many times. On the other hand, Maka left side the anyway, and that is Apienin so they contested Honorable Kweku Kwate. Apienin is behind bringing back Ash Gold. Inti and they it's time for Mokako Pacha. Apienin AP or that moral support, and behind the scenes they have put in place one or two things just to ensure say Omobe revive Ash Gold. No, what is the attached intention? He also wants to appeal to Obuase for especially the football fans or more Obuase no and try to win their vote. All these people were there.
Who's politics?
Vote a canvassing exercise. They are canvassing for vote. And your football no Obuase. It took champion to come and invest money into Ash Gold. Where were they? No more way. If they had showed themselves, if they had come out, so almost free Obuase, not Obuase football nijina. And you know.
Okay.
6 years ago, 8 years ago, they should have started and invested. And Ash Gold perhaps and suffer this fate. Initially, when this whole issue started, they could have intervened.
Whoa.
Intervention and the Fahurem to issue Nase and see how best you can help.
Martin.
First, the stance of the supporters was against the FN being a big boy if any do anyway. No. And tomorrow we are penny for coming to who remain can be sa.
Whoa, Mamma family cross. What me Baba family cross no callers in my old bow TV set me so my volume and for my Liberty Conference at Basso. August edition Yamiarma 31st of this month. Now just Saturday D and me na Jumadieno and so Basso 6 o'clock and Jubilee Park. Na Kofi Pepra Kwaku Jesse Minister Kwame Jedu was here. Now where your Jumedia the heat and the theme so ye free as 28:3 and Psalm 81:10 and ye asem at the free now found shame or mine your dubuache and a Jumedi and some the seat in the so 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Hello, caller.
Hello, Sandy.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Opening with dinner baby Agasefini into
Mr. Yamichini, Ketabunko.
Okay, yes, you.
Madam Masapani, Mandia, mobile fact, mobile Miami Sham. The kind, Manchester United, Mr. These players are yet not told their coach, Eric Hagi, one performing almost second, said, and a Pomea Ekano. Yet also the protocol, without me, Bob Abasata and Age Madian, or mobile in 60 media, yes, ever Quafican, Yamin Sham.
Oh, yeah, I see. Hello. Open it, your so your first August, a free.
If I told you Hamza, the second session of
Hamza, it's you.
That's fancy. Now, I know about now. Would be at the day, and I yet to support it. The share recruitment here, improvement of team access, or my yes, you so like super pretty near book, you so. Then supported leadership. And to Yako to a national secretary council, Yako to a Yanko to be the Wako to so. Yan, Yako shall be say, you will choose fever. You are Peter, Ganako to put me fundings of the committee, no, almost yes, the fundings, no, yes, just to abandon the many years, no. Express the democratic from Sa, almost on Comuco to abandon the same week in one. I tabon by because you have to be careful. As an nothing crack, as chief of staff, as I'm a committee. Say, committee moment, you know, fund is nearby, no more to that. I don't know, support us in the why does the name to that? You to abandon and maybe you support the action.
Okay. Whoa, Mate, yara say hello, caller.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Open Yetio.
I'm a host of the Sobashi.
Yetio.
The next mother, person of Barnum Magasan, my Itami. I said the shut me a baby. I'm a slow, but I have a social has to sign as a piano. I don't believe it.
What means I?
I should pay. What do you say?
There be any BBS our Daruma. Okay, Mate, yara say hello, caller.
Kazi.
Opening.
Awunya Solomon. Mate one family.
Yetio.
Na from Point as we say what chama hoga no. Mame mo ni e be jafoni na basopa na me se mo de no kokopia. Na kaka me ka se aka 9 days na league ya start. Also recruitment committed and the court of IMT led by Nana Apenkra Kontoponi Aferene. Recruitment amoye friendly matches or mobile support to say near J. We perceive more team no other league na tapeno. Just as support the leaders the call matter to. The best way a regional executive and national executive no. This time around you pay and fa omula balu and omuchuma me train and product no. The best as you report to no almost down. We know who level you know have to think that the BI boy liga no matter no chuma me na so team no. This time around recruitment and benefit no. As a to do you know. Nti mo come mo me na enter to the DNA league no. Me na say.
Whoa, yemfa for free. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Opening Yetio.
Good morning.
Opening Yajoso Yetio.
Na matini wa pa mo mo ngala ma ele asante man.
All right.
Na asema Michael kana me kebi atoso. Na obase de ko na ewo mu de asem kwa adigo ni ni bia wa nge ni bia ba kan asama yi. Na kwa kene ka kene bia nge bia yi. Muti kuruma I go eji de to was wa we ka be football obie no bai. No ma champion be ti na ekuti area. Afena mo ko facho. Ko facho se se. Na ga platini ni na ba facho. No o bien kan ti o se. Ni vote gra. Ni e me to aba no mo. On to mun san so mo ti ngi apiani ti kuruma ide NBC na ko ame.
Okay. Mate, Yevesi, na yen sorry so na news embra. Well, happy birthday to Russell Sapon and Tobre from Kukua say Russell and we show happy birthday nyini never penny power guy brutal auntie Russell Sapon from Cooks and we show awada pa afei to Abubakar Abdul Karim who is student was Jerome SHS and our schoolie and happy birthday going out to you and Angelina Boatin or Ghana Police and from Honorable Fish I was from municipal Honorable say and birthday Angie and Amenya Wakuma Swadia my service with integrity. Yes, happy birthday to my lovely daughter Dr. Louisa Akusiecha Opoku New Life International School Chronom and I was from Omada Esther I was Canada say yeah we show a happy birthday inti no yeah sorry na news emra okay yes
Sabri ya yedidi uni baby akọ odofo blakrom da Sompa TV yes da Sompa radio yes was one mini room da bebe 5G salty drinking no alcohol in him drinking papa enunti odi for me numbi no limam numbi Sompa for numbi ekuya for numbi 5G Mizo 5G meeting one dance here no yes papa open for me numbi yes if we say yare nim and could that me numbi we say wo how nim yes adoba for numbi yeah 5G ekuya for numbi yes 5G. Yeah. Ome munye nara.
Adunya ye die. Nuna ye die. 5G. 5G. 5G oh 5G. 5G oh 5G. 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 Me do one dance here. Yes. Na ese fata. Every say yam yes. Hey yo, check it out yo. 5G drink, papa. 5G, miso drink, miso. 5G, miso, 5G. Anuna medium. Sabri ya ye grade. Uni baby ako. Odofo black room. Sompa TV. Yes. Sompa radio. Yes. Was one mini room. The 5G. Salty drinking no. Alcohol in him. And you're drinking papa. And until you for me no be no. Me mam numbi. Sompa for numbi. Equia for numbi. 5G. 5G. Miso. 5G. Meeting one.
For your mama, ha, mama, qua, by brasso, so, mammy, amado, son, somewhere. Yakika, see a near ye, ye banana, ye debaba, somewhere, hire some part television, so, Oti and cow, Bronia for Mantem de Moa, some 98.9 FM, Ekutemo, so, Bruno is so, I say, a Techiman, say, and Cransa, say, I can tampo, some 90.7, and Wasugusua, Utina Santamantam and Quadrina, Sompa, 93.1 FM, so, Ekutemo, and we in some dosso, not posso, and ye, the comment share him see na enra the cost so galamse won sensam ene hon report wa ekoto ye ranim ene anamo ye ratu no observe we comment share him see na ye de hon krabra mu
no sabajani ye wasu na for north about to person so dia to aban wanim sawa so ababoa agric ministry sane ba ye atoko aba na buraba omototo no umusa ebesoso
observe e pena ye tete say yi ni ti wo siremu no entete a ye tete adwei ene so soafo a Owesi kasano na nchochia so akasa dia fo ho ene nhyehyia aban eye de aso ebia ekomo a ebedi ekiraba
na napkotronis na kasai won mo kyerem se won ma hunu sa aban no ne waye omunyina no wadada won madwene na nyame yadom afia bato ene be kyere
awie ye de matu fa sebefo bia no hwe ne dan ye de makọ wanchi abato mpesua so NPP amanyuku ni demo ye te se na mentime wase bi ohonomo emede NPP mpanimfo ate asi honomo a wo mo akwakosiesie eye Albert ene eye kodwofrimpon entem ye bekọ wanchi abato mpesua so na de komu pa no yakwakodidi nkomo
afai ma sebedofie nsunie ye tete se kwamra sebedofie mabro sande bi eja atom ama sebre mpanyifo bomode a oye di obetu
obzanfo weni afofro pinuan yakeke se enian ne sekase abia a wo bia na wiye ye bana ye de ababesomo Sompa television kase ye twegu so no okọ social media platforms awodo no so a ye Facebook Sompa 93.1 FM so a ye kase edia de nchechi abo patabribri se pasoche wo hono mo saso so na okọ YouTube a Sompa TV Ghana kase no eya kyen ho ye mfa seda ema enyuma ekoi
cloud internet ana ya kan fodiama wo se wo pe internet papa aya cloud de no ana ya kama pa express group na de wo to kwan na OCP Ghana Limited nso aboa ama won sell to me aka fertilizers papa Liberty Conference ana se nyame yet mo memenda ye die no mu yi ebusua eboso Jubilee Park afemizo and 5G drinking so Sunny wada no ya no nya bia Ebabu papa ama hoto 3 herbal center. What a 3 core capsules at Yaba and a 21st clinic in ye was a sciatica expert. And now we are some more doyer deban ya kucheni nata. Yada kwa front enter video no so aya www.sompa.com sompaonline.com okwa benya bi no wakenkan Facebook ne Sompa 93.1 and na YouTube ayo Sompa TV na asonfo banu ya enebene yatena se na ba kenkan samedia mawo ayeme akosia ajewa kwade boaten mene
nana ya bo malibia boga
afenje brand nsem no yenchichi
abzanfo ye kire nsem no mode freeman hia ahemfie fikesiem na sene emone mosam no crop ya sante kotoko hino pem so say to tosumi no danso tipeso da yepa ade ana ni chikura ni chiko eye gadamse a asena nanom binuma yiyi womani a ekoso ewo monsase so a kese eseinsu eseinfudie kese essay o mani dachi a otena wonsa obi ase woni mu hwe eno ti club ya sante kotoko ni ye na dwere se de galamse si say ensase essay ensuofa e wa sante mantama se ni miami yahudo pi no obete eye basom ko bi no ma atena se no ma 50 madrid ma babem ahwehwem ne hu ayemfo a wo mo na amakwan amasa ne ma na ekoso wo nsase so na yehuna na mo a eye nananom betu ede afa ho na no juada santiment traditional council ekokotena se ama nipa krobia sante kotoko ni pa wo mo so mo nko esa fifi mu no wo mo report no wo mo ekan ne bedwam ama mansa nyina ehunu ayemfo a wo mo amakwan ema galamsefo age wo mo nsase aboso a nsuo nyina wo mo ase no ya se nyame amfa kwa mu a wan hwe ya dachi bie no o mayi si ebenya nsu dokodoko ya moa ne ya noma bagu ya de paso akesu ye wakase nyansani ne wade a age se bia nsuo ne ye poto anase de kofo nikanikam ansa ne yebetima no mu a ya nom ewo mayi mu eno ntie ne odwani che sabronum abonte so a ye se empanimfu a ehwe akire wo kro num no keso mo boa pa no mo tete wo no mo eno mo amakwan ama galamsefo ati esi kro num a kese be bia nsuo ewura nom kese wo mo ase ni nyina eno nti jase hene a owo sabronum na ewu ajew sabre ne mo kase ne tu atwi ami aro ne na asempaboa enyo nonkom hyame hene owo sabronum wono soso ne tu atwi saa ya ro ne na asempaboa ena bamu hene a wono soso ewo eye sabronum se ne mo kase wono soso ne na asempaboa kokra de dada na emra committee no na nanom tena se na no dwoada na committee ne mpanimfo ekekan nsam na omacheche nsam de ache na nanom no yenko na yenko hwede ekoso pa ewa himfie
against illegal mining activities at Sabronum. Your Royal Majesty, recent occurrences in Sabronum has prompted us to write this petition seeking your help. Some time ago, heavy-duty machines, which are used in Galamsey, that is illegal mining, were sighted in Sabronum. Due to the fact that Galamsey operators have a penchant for causing irreparable damage to the ecosystem, which will eventually affect our livelihood as farmers, the assemblyman made calls to the stool elders and the district chief executive of the area to find out if per adventure any of them have been informed before the machines were brought. The Akwamuhini Jasehine Ebusiapeni and DCE of Sabronum indicated that they knew nothing of the Galamsey operations. An emergency meeting of the stool elders and family members as well as the assembly members to find out who exactly sanctioned the illegal mining activities. Who exactly sanctioned the illegal mining activities. However, everyone pleaded innocent. We forwarded the matter to the DC, who upon investigations informed us that Nana Joe Atuoni, Jasehine of Sabronum, Etioni, Jasehine of Sabronum, was the one who authorized the illegal mining and provides them with its continued support.
Abzafo nti we ayemra na akrachefo na begina na nanom animu a na omo ekenkan report no nsisi mu ne nhwehwemu a na omo aye ni nyina ewo sabronum ne biam yahodo no na omo akan ede ache yewura ene na nanom a na omo atenase na na chese ye boboso no nti jasehene na na chese esebinisa egu ne hwaso no ene sabronum echiame hene ne bamu hene na chese omo ensegu omo boso a omo egina honom no na ya kenka report nyina kenka mfinfimu no de ekire wo mu no wɔn kyerɛ sɛ wɔn ni fɔ ɛmɛdu baabi koraa ne kyɛ sɛ Gyasehene aso ɔde hyɛ Kyame soso de kɔ akɔhyɛ Baamuhene soso de kɔ akɔhyɛ ɛyɛ Gyasehene ne kyɛ sɛ akɔ mpere kɔto so ano sa ɛno ɛna crop ya Asante Kɔtɔkɔhene ɔpem so sɛ tutu ɔtɔ so mmienu nanso danso ɔdanso yɛwura ɛbɛ mu yɛ sɛ asam no a yɛka ne saa no ɛnyɛ sɛ akrakyefo no nko ɛna ɔmoma akwan ma ɔmo kɔkɔ yɛ adwuma no BNIfoɔ nyinaa bɛm esi akyire nti nsɛm no a yɛka no ɛnyɛ sɛ bia ɔmo bɔ ɔmo sirim ɛna aka adanseɛ ɛwɔ hɔ nom a ɛdi bibia kyɛ mu pefee sɛ ɛyɛ ahemfo yi yɛ ɔmo hwɛ akyire ɛwɔ saboro no mu no wɔmo enim galamsey a ɛkɔ soɔ ɛho bi
na wo na ne no na eba oni wo nyina sa na na ahwe chi na geja na fe de bro no wabon galante wabon yo ye enye nna ne ye beka kire mi o enye nna mi hunu ye ache samo ye ache ba chronicle mu ba emre bi na me ka se ye nkwohwe de esi wo mfamrem National Investigation Bureau for na me ka se ye nkwoye mfamrem report de bre me ye ha so report de bre no ha Wudin wom Kyame hene din wom ade wom nyina mudin wom nyina mudin wom anya nne ne ye beka chi eba ya che me nsaka eba busumi be me nsa se 9 ni so ba ya che enti me mamutan wa mobobokro no se de me wuza Kyame hene one to za Kyame hene one Gyasehene akonwa no mpe be ma bi e friend no se kojo ana nka omo ye pese one ne this man na so de mo ye sa na mahu se nipa bi nso abesre nipa no omo ye be se krade bi di Kofi Asante ofri krom so bi di Kofi Asante abetochi kwampoku ena kwabra pon wono Gyasehene wo faase no ezo omo se won pe no wono anabusuafo ka chensa wo ye boni aye cheswo ope ose kojo ekroma munim sameti o minim ni nyina minim de ekoso nyina so de ekoso na ana me bobo din amabo po ni nyina akyem sai na yo mo mbaba kwa ansa na afa akonwa no masi ya me sa ka che o mo so ne se yo this in wanya akokodu ankyem yo na media me ka chem se mo pa mo za nko din kwa me ya chimu nyina agum na mo hwa de mo chimu nyina so ka chem na mo galam sa mo ye nyina mo nko season nyina ndem tumi no free mo nsati so galam sa mo de tuwa mo ye nyina mo nse se be ko to yin wo no ade tumi ko de ko mo se be galam se no ni nyina e fu mo nsa mo di bra no be fu mo se de ya sabronim ni mo na mabbo no na mama nkrofo abanum su obatan wo kan abayar sika wo penti edi mo yeah friends assembly member no ne unit committee member no yo baka empanyifo no eja wo hwane mo kan chem hwan mo de eyefa mo kan chem aka aye akwa mo yen ko mo aka nyina ene o mo fi akonwa nto ne enko mo ro empabo
Abzanfo nti wei ɛyɛ nrade ɛkɔ so fikesie menhyia hemfie mra na ɛyɛ committee no ɛde report aba beto yɛ wuranim ɛna Kyame hene a ɔwɔ sabronum ɛyɛ Baamuhene ɛna afi Gyasehene sabre de ɔmo mpaboa ɛkɔkora de daada
Abro Asante mera share sɛ Gyasehene ane ahemfo no bi aka ho yɛ ngoro wɔn na sempaboa no ana sabronum ade hye wɔn mo hyase tutu hyire ne pa dade gu wɔn mo ho atro sɛ yewura yenya odani uye buoi kyese asɛm no a wodi ya no waka ne pepepepepe wɔn makoma so ade a ana santimero ya de ama wɔn mo no na asɛ ne enra wasi bi di asɛm ne fa ye na galam sɛ ekum ɔman ade hye wɔ sabronum na afedie wɔn mato atwa no anokwa wɔn mahunu sa ye wɔ hene ne ye wɔ hene na asantimero de wɔdam soronko kora ya ne de no ɛya de a kyese ɔman nyina ya de ani ahunu sa no kwaredie ɛno pɛ na enam saya so ama ne bɔne Ebenezer Owusuansa ebra na dada yo na kwaso no obamode no ma de hye ne bi edi nkomo ya Ora Muhammad Al Hassan woni yakasa erefa ho
omubosa no pekura dodo na di sekura ba me fie ha abeda maseni ade ba me akasa de nyansi krum afena madwale wi me pesa me koko galamse nsem no galamse no eya ade na etete ye pa na ahemfo ni hye kira na akwa bibi se ye yehwia enyeyi on na de na ehukura ne se o se ahemfo no sa wo hene na ye tu no wo boys bi wo kurodua mu hanom a wo mu ho asem kana eden ono na tete wo no a se se wo mu gade ne ne ko ba bia nti se wo ye bibi ne sanya yi kura o mbetima be prepare abre nko ba bia galamse nsem yi hyase o mu ko fa excavator bi low bed with excavator be wo kurodua mu ema akoye nsem bebre makroma no kura hye eye low bed na edi machine excavator no ba ye no beto na chire bo be ma ba ko a ono osole ne ne yire ba be no wo maduane ahomache no wo mu no amoton emlantie yi si wo se boy no na ebo amane ma yenya ala no na ye ma kroma fo no mu twitwa boy ne se ka basa abra wo de call police station be bia wo area bia na police phone sum ni nyina se na ohene ha ye tu ne nroi onu ana hyase na die nti ameka se onu ana hyase ne se me ni onu amu gina wo ma ne ka kire me place first no na kroma 40 di gina temba sabase se de o ye na di gina tuma obemi ababuo be prepare wa abra enko ba bia enti no sa wo hene kro ya wona ne hyase ana o ye sade ne nti na kromu no obi ani age sa no kromu no obi ani age se de asumbiaba akase excavate I will say Sompa o mudia ko sinsuo mo no ye bebo onabu DC amane se de ekwema da hoi na ye timi anya chance apam sa afo ni nyina from akui afa ne ntuma pefra
I was your warrior assembly member ya wono wasabro num electoral area wo demonya for Al Hassan Mohammed na eno achi no yere jase he ya tuni na na jawo anso adi nkomo emasem no ochechim
se na krono eda mpayate na ma ni je krono ko tranka na me ma yiku na fie dunya chiri so boni bi ansi kruma ne de ni pa na yiri na ncha so nti ko tu fu beti ya ko nya bi afanche no ko bi ani na wo ba o se gram si ni tu gram si no ko bi ani esi DC se me me press conference no me sa fre wo mo se wo nya aduma ma he da na press conference e mo me record me de brain no de ade so me nkai record ni we ya wo se wo man fa man compete to so compete wo bo ko bi na so wo mu nyina se le bu sa wo so he be no peno hina men peno ona be mi ram mo muskasa ki kan mo shimwa na se kwa ba ko ka sendi ba ko atakwa mi ko ka sa radio station na last week so no de kabina mkaso ki so ko ka sa de mi charika uncheska man o so se mi ani bi ne kom o se kom ne man ko yesa na mza na kom di wana kom di se ki ko ye ne ani bi ani si wona ko yi de diana so ne ti sika o penchi ma ko yesa e no mo ya ni se mi ti mo ye da yesa en se mi ti da mi ne he da nipa enu omugada ya sha ko so several times ko bia no tu about ko bia no about enu fa kutu kwa no bia to petition ne sa aka copy
I was on your tenant kai aya jasene yo wo sabonu manei asantemara agene tumi die free nsam na na jawu ene ne kasaye
abzanfo yan famo enfree galamse nkomo no ho na afi yan famo enko pebra yese eyi ne ti wosirima bonten so a asedi papinu a enso no gojam sese yame amfa kwa mu a ede ekombrani bi ebeba omayi mu enam so ma enra osoafo na hwe omayi kwa yo ho nsansam eyensamtwefo nhyiamu ne nsamtwefo butumai kakra ede enhyehyaya aban edi gu akwam eba beso ebi ekomo a ebedi akire aba no anomo ye ne se free na ko omo emakwa bio emobia emfa bro anase bia mo ana tokwo emfi omayimo enkopie omabia so bio yankase de no kakra na wa se no a yekuafo na timi ado amaye no ebekrokroma dada no a sebeye na enkoba se bia penumu na mframanimu eba be yehye no ekomkese bi eba be yiniti na eno na omai Ghana soja force so no aba bonte dia aba betu dwase de also mu ye bia eboa eman hyehye aban de gu akwam no eye adwuma esi ano kwan sa amanfo nsesa smogre engu botom ene fiewuru asrame mu ne egyatuo mu osum politin bag mo emfa nwane nkwa amanfo nkruso no wono ebeye dodo oso afa one hwe omai Ghana yasra dom so eyowura Dominic Bingham netiu wono ene gina asogafo nyina nemo ede sansem wi ekọ edema Ghana bai
so I want to assure you to the nation that the security agencies are immediately activating their network to ensure that the ban on cereals, which has been listed, are regularly enforced so that nobody will take even a single grain out. We have the approved routes and the unapproved routes. About 80% to 90% of all exports pass through the approved routes. So I just want to assure you that already we have a lot of security personnel from today to ensure that no truck loads of grains will leave Ghana across to anywhere. The unapproved routes, we will also get that even the 20% does not leave our nation. It helps us as well because we have a big problem, which is the terrorist attacks all over across the other side. So if the ban is put in place, it's like actively along the borders, it will help. But security is as good as the citizens themselves. So please take advantage of, if you see something, say something, and help the security agencies as well. You yourself are security people yourselves. So as long as you see something that has escaped the eagle eye of the security, please let us know. We will act well. We are deploying all across the borders, particularly.
For we am Raswig, you know, Raswig, if you ma this year, what been Bilabaton Pessia, so no cronoa, and a sasu, yes, Swafwa, or show my Ghana, Yasra Domso, or Dominic Bingham Nitu, and not yet in game.
I was a queer one some year, Monowakwa, Savage of Fear. About your core, one more show my Ghana, young Fudia on some so one can member. Yo, one more yon Monya for Eric Opoku. One more queer side, my Savage and Neo, General de Madisha. I was not for South about to Empress and watch us. Sasia no Banish Shana Gina say ya was yes a pebremua, and they see your man Tambasami and Samu, our my Ganem no. And tea I was set, I took a bro ammonia, the idea by a dear your memonia dear. You bet to me at Tabrinia, the conquer for Mamma Shunemum, dear one wire more by Sunny Bana Dachi, and you won't quatre our memoria dear who ya pa. Now so no, I was set a Greek ministry no one Casana Suya. I show my food on some son or a biny pessica botany be, so what the baba won't bra, Sunny Bay bet to me a general and show my remo pebremo, one your man in an almost a say no to me acquaye. Name of Sakabana said the no kind of terra say near Jahaquadia, and I never had a pa. I brought one young for one of some Pacasia e Casano, and some say and was say.
That on Maya, you food buffer, election to 12 lakh year, or man better, any food buffer, let's say, because you need to draw a more cocoa back a election care the back. And you see, on a 2011, the government Mahamad established food buffer. The first one is a country against emergency. Second one, India market, not a brown more, a bro and more buna, Amanda Boa from Palmer for watching, your cost of not a two means now, no one cost now, consumers and so better now. You release the this year and normalize the price. When you hear about it is a global, not a crapona wire for Pokona, only let can be a human. One of these kind of players, but I will be a local brand, not about talk about no about excess surplus, no price wire, no more producer and a home trainer, we didn't see a camera. I do a bread for wire dinner, no one of job, I don't know if you buy dinner, consumer no easy, you also see the Kaka at your back. Now, better normalize price. No, I'm saying one maintain stocks. What do you want to eventually buy? What about Abadi? About we buy, in fact, at some point, the problem buffer stock assurance, the last thing to do is $100 million. Normally, I play any DSC. The can't say, oh, no, only have no discount. It's in there. Abandon the city, I'm a pastor, and play the Coco Bacola Banya Day. All this one as a nation, you need a pastor there. The way we are doing the Coco Cry, DSC as a combat, and now to raise the unity of our papa. It is a double, a penny unity, at least can you put buffer. If you are so you got the smooth air mine, and family are prepared, and go out here other countries, not more.
Okay.
That is our requirement here. It remains a penny unity, or the other is really the Japanese,
Young Ray Diani Abedi Crana, who by a dear way a year as soon as for South Marshallani, Yera Erico Pocono, and watchino, and I was so for the chair or show my agriculture honsome so. One young fire from Paul Abdo Adna no tumse. Ghana badge the Ghana for pa. Na Sunny Benin Yanon Quachintino, Wawasa Ghana Sicano billion no watch 8 billion. Ebaqua as a show my agriculture honsome so. Now one more dia be a was Sunny Beya and Yanon some and Quachi.
The first one, farm families over share in about Asia. Only one family season. Number one. Number two, around the time, America Kana University in Cambodia and Shabbat, Nigeria, they say but a little green, a green, a particular sodium, soya bean, any time of it. But really, that can see power about 80%. The one that to range in your person. If you really talk of being quite a credible, I do not hit you. Let's say that until there, when we can have the sooner starting to see how many
I was only a tenant can I saw for the chair or show my Ghanaian food yes so one more for you from Pon Ado.
Na busa for ansoa was so for na show mai sika 722 so no enkomo ya ye die ono so edna no atmubi osenya se se de Ghana fu yitira ye ama ban sakoka sika bia omo ebeye ne ne kire ya no mato apete no mo de akwakoso so akuafo na sene wose sika ni number $160 million ya omo sesa ni nyina akosrem ene manta be miensa no a yetete se epe esi honom no no de akwakoso so akuafo na sene mo se beye na enkoba se bia de kombrani bi eba beti esi kroyimo Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam sensemo a ode tudwa kakra ni
to raise about $500 million, the equivalent of 8 billion Ghana cedis, to fund the crisis response program. This is so much money, but we are doing this also at a time when our buffers are almost depleted, and so we intend to trigger the processes for accessing the contingency fund. We are also doing what we call budgetary alignment to reallocate some funds that were originally meant for other purposes towards addressing the crisis. And so together, 2.5 billion Ghana cedis is being mobilized from the budget side. We also rely on our development partners, and we've had serious engagements with our development partners over the past 1 week or so. And within this short period, we can report that we are able to secure $155 million. That is about 2.4 billion, almost 2.5 billion Ghana cedis. And so out of the 8 billion Ghana cedis we are seeking to mobilize, we can say that we have visibility on about 5 billion Ghana cedis that we want to use, and use it quickly to respond to this crisis.
Observe so for Hesika Samnon and Tutia so where ye Mrasbig or woman Rasbig Fima this year, a walk Karaga Abato Empesiaso, Dr. Mohammed Amina Damena Yetinin King.
Yaguswada, I walk here some more. You were born a champion, and I saw for. Wash out my Ghana and Fudia and some saw and watch her say. Sir, I saw some Koya Ghana buying at Yabasa and Chayada. And no say one more quine more a bro I took one of your caca home. Yet tabby the conqueror farmer my son ya dear. I shall see ne ya na adia to mu. Was here nays or her son ya pen was CBSC. I what if you don't mantamon kayanoa. Na wakwa ya so man ya share sapomu so sanse ene ne kine ya da kwamba ne betumi asi enti se ya moaboa ya hone ya num so antwen opa ansho how kase pa betumi aba na mpanyemfo se dodo no a so afunu so aba ku mu achacha enti nyese ye begya ne nyina de abo aban no so ne ahwasa aban ko aba ya ma ne komu abuo na mamuo no de akuafo betumi aye no won monye na de aban so betumi aye no wono so nya bi emfa emua ebra won monyamfo e won nsamtrofo e kasa no eno achasa Ghana ban ayi sikatwitwi de a eno ne kire yata ye de ba behwe ama man ne akua ye ho sansam so yetumi e de abo ho bra ora Brian Echampon
been approved by government for implementation by the food security crisis. With immediate effect, government is placing a ban on the export of grains, including maize, rice, soya bean, until the situation normalizes. This measure is essential to ensure the availability of these critical crops on the domestic market. Any farmer with stock and interested in selling should contact our district directorates across the country, our district aggregators, or the Directorate of Crops, Ministry of Agriculture. This is to ensure that farmers do not suffer adversely from this ban.
I was your way, you're a brand of champion, your turn and canon, and what you know. Peasant Farmers Association, ya, I will may moon. One was so dear Bassa, a genesia, ya, Banwasino. One cast woman in the Yarginia, any.
I think while some are welcoming, we have some concerns that we hope it should be looked at. In the first place, let me tap onto the most controversial one, then I'll move to the other. The first one has to do with the government resolve to ban the export of grains. I think that this particular approach is an approach that was not inclusive. It didn't take on board the views and concerns, the possible challenges that this might have on farmers. When farmers are producing, I listened to the minister when he mentioned he gave an accurate figure as to the cost farmers incur to produce 1 acre of cereal, in this case maize. So when farmers make their expenses, the expectation is that when they sell, they should be able to recover the investment they need. Now, when you allow for the forces of demand and supply to determine prices, farmers are able to get optimum price for their produce. In that same way, they're able to recover the loss, the investment that they need. This ban is not a new thing. If you know, I remember the former minister did say, and farmers had serious challenges because it forced the prices of these products to go down, and farmers couldn't recover the investment they need on their produce. So if you are announcing a ban, the ideal thing is to put in place local measures that will insulate the farmers from any possible low prices. For instance, government could have said that they have set a minimum price to purchase 50 kilograms of maize, where we all agree that that price is enough to cover or offset the cost that farmers want to produce that particular produce. But that was not done. So what this ban will do is that eventually it will begin to bring down the prices of this